We begin by importing the image component from Next.js, which is optimized for faster load times and better performance. Next, we're importing our style sheet from a CSS module. CSS modules help in scoping class names locally by default, thus avoiding class name collisions. We're defining a functional component named MyImage that will render our image with sophisticated styling. Inside this function, we're returning our JSX code, which will describe what the UI should look like. We're wrapping our image component in a div with a class name of ImageContainer. This class is defined in our imported CSS module and allows us to apply advanced styling to the wrapper itself. Here's the image component from Next.js. Let's walk through the attributes we're adding for advanced styling. The src attribute is crucial as it tells the image component which image to load. Make sure to replace /path to your image.jpg with the actual path to your image file. An alt attribute is also provided for accessibility, offering a text description of the image for screen readers and in scenarios where the image fails to load. The layout attribute with the value fill makes the image expand to cover the dimensions of its parent element. It's particularly useful for responsive designs. The object fit attribute with the value cover means that the image will scale to maintain its aspect ratio while filling the element's entire content box. It's like background size cover in CSS. And finally, with the className attribute, we apply our custom styles from the CSS module to the image itself for even more specific styling needs. With that closing tag, our styled image component is complete. We close off the div wrapper that contains our image component. This structure allows us to position and style our image as desired within the Next.js framework. And we close our MyImage function component. Once this component is rendered in a Next.js application, it will showcase an optimized and stylishly presented image.